Hi everyone, this is Jade with LUXTRVL. Hello from Sandals, Montego Bay. Quick intro: if you're into luxury travel and luxury resorts, subscribe to my channel now because I have so much content around luxury travel and luxury resorts, and I am your go-to luxury travel advisor. So for any of your future travel, need any assistance planning that amazing seamless vacation, send me an email or just text me via my cell phone number below. I look forward to hear from you. I want to apologize in advance that this video is going to, you are going to see some other people and at times a lot of people in my video because I was in a group when I was filming this. Videos normally is just me, so you kind of get like a good view of just the property, but this is an exception. Hope that doesn't get in the way of you viewing and building up anticipation for your trip to Sandals, Montego Bay. Looking forward to hear from you. Enjoy.